CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am participating in another collaboration. Now, the host for this collaboration is the lovely Marilyn, and Marilyn's channel is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now, she has two co-hosts, and they are Creatively MsMe, and that is Miss Stephanie, and Liz of Jazigreen Decor Style. Now, I have left links to both of their channels down in the playlist, and rather down in my description box, along with a link to the playlist. And I'll tell you, if you don't know these ladies, please go down, find your way to the playlist. I said it again. Find your way down to the description box and make sure you click through and go and visit their channels today. I promise you, you will not regret it. Also, find that playlist. Make sure that you go and watch it, because I'm telling you, you're going to see a ton of creators who are going to participate in this, and you're going to see some beautiful, outrageously orange tablescapes. Now, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll subscribe today. And make sure that you hit that notification, subscribe and then hit that notifications bell, tap it 2 times just to make sure that you're notified every time I upload new content. Now, guys, what I'm going to stop talking now and just let you see what I came up with for this collaboration. So I'm going to give to you my take on the outrageously orange tablescape. And of course, I'll come back at the end and just say a couple words. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you've stayed on with me to this point, again, I really thank you for the support that you've given this channel. And guys, I just wanted to say also, please make sure that you go over and visit the host and the co-host. So again, that is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Her co-hosts are creatively MsMe, as well as Jazigreen Decor Style. And again, remember, there are links down in the playlist or down in my description box that will take you to their channels. Also, there's a playlist down there. Please make sure you visit that playlist so that you can see all of the other content that the other creators have come up with. And I know you'll see some great outrageously orange tablescapes. If you're a member of this channel already, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all of your support. And if you're not, I hope you'll consider subscribing today. And also make sure that you click that notifications bell and tap that thing 2 times. That way you'll be notified whenever I update new content. Well, that's all I had for you today, everyone. I just want to say I cannot wait till I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.